Welcome to YouTube lecture series on Vedic Mathematics. Sub-series, multiple methods of solving the same problem. Our next problem is 5000 multiplied by 9999. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel SRS Vedic Mathematics Academy. So let's learn how we can solve this problem in multiple methods. As the second number is all 9, it's very clear that here we have to use series of 9. The normal series of 9 method, 1 less 5000 minus 1 is 4999. So first step, 1 less. Second step, all from 9, last from 10. Just perform all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 5 is 4. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. And last from 10. So 10 minus 0 is 10, but you cannot write 10 there. You write 0 and carry 1 here. So final answer will be like this. Last digit is 0. When you carry 1 to this 9, 9 plus 1 is 10. So again 0. You have to carry 1 here. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 0. Carry 1 here. 4 plus 1 is 5. Other digits will remain as it is. 9, 9, 9, 4. So final answer 49995000. Let's see the other method. This 5000 here can be written as 5 multiplied by 1000. So the now new problem will be 5. I take this only 5 multiplied by 9999. So this is our new program. So when there are less number of digits, we say that you just put zeros here to match number of digits. And same step, 1 less. So no need to write those zeros. So I'll just write 1 less means 5 minus 1 is 4. And second step, all from 9, last from 10. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. 9 minus 0 is 9. And last from 10. 10 minus 5 is 5. And then you have to do the second part. It is multiply by 1000. So multiplying by 1000 means you have to just put 3 zeros. So final answer, you have to take this number as it is 49995 and put these 3 zeros. So note that answer is same. So other way of solving by same series of 9 is, so there are two parts. First part same as we said, 1 less. 1 less. Same thing as we have done it here. And second step here, our second part here is just write complement of that number. So complement of 5000. 1 less is very clear. 4999. And note that easier method to get complement of 5000 is when there are zeros at the end, you write zeros as it is when there are zeros at the end, and then just take complement of 5. Complement of 5 is 5. So second part here is 5000, and then join 49995 0 0 0. So note that answer is same. So we have solved 3 methods, but all 3 methods we have used series of 9, but in a different way. It is also possible to use crisscross, but then it is not advisable. These are much easier than using crisscross for this particular problem. Thank you.